Hey guys, I just wanted to check in really quick and talk to you a little bit about homemade shaving cream. So last night I went ahead and did the first part because I didn't think you all really wanted to watch stuff melt over a double boiler. And if you've already watched the lip gloss video, you know that you just put an inch of water in a pan, bring it to a boil, and set a glass bowl on top of it. And then in that glass bowl, I melted half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of shea butter. Once that was melted, I stirred it and added a quarter of a cup of olive oil. Now, the next part takes a little bit. You have to set it in the fridge until it is not quite solid, but solid enough. It looks solid. It's usually a white. So I'm going to post a picture underneath this video of what mine looked like when I got it out of the fridge. I actually just left mine in the fridge overnight, and it did just fine. Once I started whipping it, it melted it a little bit, and it worked perfectly. So this morning I got up, set up my KitchenAid mixer, and put my solid shave cream in the mixer, and I whipped it. Now this is the next question, is usually what consistency. So here is what it looks like. If you take it out, I'm sure there's some baking term for this, stiff peaks or something like that, but I've never been good at that. But that's the consistency it's going to be. Once I started mixing it, I added Homemade Mommy's scent combination for her aftershave. So that is 15 drops of Eucalyptus radiata, 5 drops of Idaho Blue Spruce, 1 to 2 drops of peppermint. I just did 1 since it's a hot oil, and then 10 drops of Valor. So I added all of that while I was whipping it, and once it's done, this is what it looks like once it's whipped. And you can see it comes out a really nice consistency. It's whipped, it's soft and fluffy. It does melt a little bit on your skin, but you still get the exact same effects. It's still plenty of moisture to make sure that you don't get any nasty razor burn or anything like that. So there are tons of different scent combinations you can use. Rosemary and peppermint would be really nice, although I'd have to play with that one. Because, like I said, peppermint's a hot oil, so I'm not sure how that would feel against your skin when it was being shaved. I usually do lavender. That's really nice. Any of the citrus oils would smell nice on your skin. Ylang Ylang is one of my new favorite oils. Next time I'll probably use that, and orange for myself. But since this is for a man, this will just make a nice manly smell and make his skin kissably smooth. So I hope you guys have a great Sunday.